One thing I admire about our president, Patty, is that she really advocates and pushes for having connections with customers. Patty provided me this list with all of our customer names, but she recommended just remembering the first name, so she wants me to separate out the first name from the last name. Let's see if we could do that for this offsite. I'm now on the flash fill worksheet, and here we see all of our customer names at the Kevin Cookie Company. Now, once again, Patty wants me to separate out the first name from the last name. So let's get to work. We have a lot of typing to do. Here, I could type in Jim, and here the first name is Haskell. Oh, and look at that. Excel has detected the pattern that I started entering. Here it saw that I took out the first name, and I started typing the next first name. Now I can press the Tab key, and look at that. Our work is done. It's now separated out the first name from every single one of these cells. I want to show you another way you can flash fill. Over here, I also want to separate out the last name. I'll type in Dickens, and then let's press Control Enter. Let's go up to the Data tab up on top, and on the ribbon in the Data Tools category, you'll see this icon for Flash Fill. When I hover over, you'll also see that the shortcut key is Control E. So let's test this out. With this cell selected, let's press Control E, and there too, I was able to flash fill and separate out the last name from each one of these cells. Now, you will have to be careful. Here, I see Darian. It turns out that it's Darian the 5th, and it picked up the V as the last name. So you might have to clean up your data, but it is a really quick way that you can separate out some of your data. Over on the right-hand side, we can also use flash fill to merge different cells together. So here I see a first name and a last name, and let's say I want to pull the name together as just the full name. Here, once again, I'll provide Excel with a model. I'll type in my name. And here, once again, just like we did before, we could use that shortcut key, Control E. And there it applies the flash fill. And look at that, it's now merged together all of these names. It couldn't be any easier.